Ever wanted to bring a modern horror icon to life with lines and shapes? First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new canvas. We will start by selecting the pen tool and clicking to start sketching Slenderman's towering figure. Starting with the head, we'll envision a tall, slender shape that is fairly simple, like a vertical rectangle, which will stand the base for his head. Now, continue with the pen tool to draw a straight vertical line. This will serve as the foundation for Slenderman's imposing stature. Ensure the line extends far down the canvas, making his body incredibly long. Since we are going for his signature pose, let's imagine it a little. Let's move on to the arms. Using the pen tool, add two arms that are long and thin as the body. Let one arm reach outwards, giving him a menacing gesture, while the other is at his side. Remember to keep the shapes minimalist, focusing on long, straight lines. Good job bringing the initial shapes to life. Now add details with the pen tool. Let's add his suit, which will involve a jacket on top of the body. Use simple rectangles to create the structure of his suit. Then we want to add his face, without any features. Since Slenderman is a faceless character, we can leave the face completely blank, or we can use a white rectangle. Of course, once all the faces and shapes are completed, go over them again with your pen tool for more definition, and to better see the lines. Finally, let's add color to make things very spooky. Click on the fill option and use the black color. Select the entire body of Slenderman and fill it in for the head. We can leave the void as it is, or we can add white for effect, and that's it. You've created your very own Slenderman.